elements of genre for comics, and I was given closure. The definition of closure is observing the parts but perceiving the whole. In other words, filling in gaps of what we observe, then connecting it to unrelated panels. So two panels that are unrelated may not be next to each other or whatever, but in the end, through closure, you see how those two panels may have been related. Continuing on, this can produce suspense throughout the comic, and this also challenges the audience. It challenges the readers as you're reading, because this can be throughout the book from the very beginning to the end. Some also may depend on closure for their very own survival. So if the beginning of the book, the character, something happened to the character, maybe at the end, they wrap it up with the closure telling you what happened to the character in the very, very beginning. This helps navigate between panels by using closure.